Fruit number 1. The wolf is a beautiful and intelligent animal. It belongs to the same family as dogs, but it is wild and lives freely in forests, mountains, and grasslands. Wolves are known for their sharp senses, strong bodies, and clever minds. They have thick fur that keeps them warm in cold weather. Their fur can be gray, white, black, or brown. They have strong legs that help them run fast and chase their food. A wolf can run up to 60 kilometers in one night when it is hunting or moving to a new place. Fruit number 2. Wolves are social animals, which means they like to live in groups. A group of wolves is called a pack. A pack usually has a mother wolf, a father wolf, and their young pups. Sometimes other wolves also join the pack. The pack works together like a big family. They hunt together, eat together, and take care of each other. The strongest and wisest wolf in the pack is called the alpha. The alpha leads the pack and makes important decisions for everyone. Every wolf in the pack has a role to play, and they all respect their leader. Fruit number 3. Wolves are very good hunters. They hunt animals like deer, elk, moose, and wild boar. Sometimes they also eat smaller animals like rabbits and birds. They do not hunt alone. Instead, they work as a team. They use smart plans to catch their prey. One wolf might chase the animal from one side, while others wait on the other side to catch it. This teamwork makes them successful hunters. They also have strong jaws and sharp teeth that help them eat their food. After a successful hunt, the whole pack shares the meal together. Fruit number 4. Wolves communicate with each other in many ways. They use sounds, body movements, and even smells. The most famous sound they make is howling. A wolf howls to call other pack members, to warn other wolves to stay away, or just to say hello. When one wolf starts howling, others often join in. This creates a beautiful chorus that can be heard from far away. Wolves also use their tails and ears to show how they feel. A wagging tail means they are happy, while a stiff tail means they are alert or ready to act. Fruit number 5. Wolves are very caring parents. The mother wolf gives birth to her pups in a safe den, which is usually a hole in the ground or a cave. The pups are born blind and helpless, so the mother stays with them to keep them warm and safe. The father wolf brings food for the mother and the pups. As the pups grow older, they start to explore outside the den. The whole pack helps take care of the young ones. They feed them, play with them, and teach them how to hunt and survive. This strong family bond helps the pack stay together and strong. Fruit number 6. Wolves have a special place in many stories and cultures. Some people see them as brave and loyal animals. In other stories, wolves are shown as clever but sometimes dangerous. In nature, wolves are actually shy animals. They usually avoid humans and do not want to cause trouble. They prefer to stay in their own territory and live peacefully. They play an important role in nature by keeping the population of other animals balanced. Without wolves, some animals might become too many and harm the forests and grasslands. Fruit number 7. Sadly, wolves have faced many problems over the years. People have hunted them and destroyed their homes. In some places, wolves have disappeared completely because of human actions. But now, many people understand how important wolves are for nature. Conservation groups are working to protect wolves and help them return to their natural homes. Laws have been made to stop hunting them. Some countries have even brought wolves back to forests where they once lived. These efforts give hope for the future of wolves. Fruit number 8. Wolves are amazing creatures that teach us about family, teamwork, and survival. They show us how working together can help overcome big challenges. They are strong, smart, and loyal to their pack. Their howls remind us that there is still wildness and beauty in the world. By learning about wolves and protecting them, we can make sure that these magnificent animals continue to roam the forests and mountains for many years to come. The wolf is not just a wild animal. It is a symbol of strength, unity, and the spirit of the wild. Fruit number 1. The rainforests of the ocean are some of the most amazing places on Earth. People call them coral reefs, and they live under the clear, warm waters of tropical seas. Even though coral reefs cover only a small part of the ocean floor, they are home to a huge variety of sea life. Colorful fish, sea turtles, crabs, starfish, and many other creatures depend on these underwater homes to survive. Fruit number 2. At first look, a coral reef might seem like a collection of pretty rocks. But coral is actually made of tiny living animals called coral polyps. These tiny creatures build hard shells around themselves, and over many years, millions of them can form large reef structures. Slowly, the reef grows into a colorful underwater world, filled with life. Fruit number 3. Coral reefs give shelter and food to countless sea animals. Small fish hide between the coral branches to escape bigger hunters. Larger animals come to the reef to find food. Sea turtles swim through the reef, while crabs and other small creatures move between the rocks and coral. Every animal has an important job in keeping this underwater community healthy. Fruit number 4. One of the most beautiful things about a coral reef is its amazing colors. Bright yellow, blue, orange, red, and purple fish swim through the water. Some fish have stripes, while others have spots or unusual shapes. Their colors help them talk to each other, find partners, or hide from enemies. This makes the reef look like a living underwater city. Fruit number 5. Coral reefs also protect coastlines. When strong ocean waves move toward the shore, reefs help reduce their power. This natural protection helps keep beaches, islands, and coastal towns safe from big waves and storms. So coral reefs are important not just for sea animals, but also for people living near the ocean. Fruit number 6. But these underwater rainforests are facing serious dangers. Rising ocean temperatures can cause coral bleaching. During bleaching, corals lose the tiny organisms that give them energy and color. If bad conditions continue for too long, the coral can become weak and may eventually die. Fruit number 7. Pollution is another big problem. Plastic waste, chemicals, and other pollutants can damage sea habitats and hurt marine animals. Overfishing and harmful fishing methods can also disturb the delicate balance of reef ecosystems. When too much damage happens, the reef may struggle to recover. Fruit number 8. Protecting coral reefs needs action from people all over the world. Reducing pollution, using less plastic, protecting marine areas, and supporting responsible fishing can all help. Scientists and conservation groups are also working to restore damaged reefs and find new ways to protect coral from changing ocean conditions. Fruit number 9. The rainforests of the ocean remind us that some of the most important ecosystems on Earth are hidden under the waves. Coral reefs may be far from our homes, but they support a huge amount of life and give valuable protection to coastal areas. By caring for the oceans today, we can help keep these colorful underwater worlds alive for future generations. Fruit number 10. The next time you look at the ocean, remember that beneath its surface lies a remarkable world filled with color, movement, and life. The coral reefs are more than beautiful scenery. They are living communities, homes for countless animals, and a vital part of our planet. That is why protecting the rainforests of the ocean is so important.